Hello guys, welcome to another mind-blowing chord progression Seben volume 2. All right, 1415 chord progression is very nice, guys. All right, so it's a common chord progression that a melody that you get in many songs. All right, like musica and all the rest. All right. Alright, remember we are playing the key of C sharp. So 5 1 1 1 1 1 3 2 5 1 6 5 4 5 1 1 1 3 2 3 2 3 7 then 7 5 5. I do it slowly. 5 5 1 1 1 3 2 5 1 1 1 3 2 2 1 6 5 4 5 1 1 1 3 2 1 7 6. All right, then the other part I was just adding. So C 5 6 5 6. 5 6 5 6 5 6 5 3 2 2 1 6 5 4 5 1 1 1 3 2 1 7 5. Alright, so that's it, guys. And with the left hand is playing almost the same thing in the first video. Alright, one 5 3 1 5 1 3 4 5 1 3 5 5 2 5 5 2 5 1 3 4 4 5 1 3 4 4 5 4 5 5 2. That's it, guys. All right, so when I combine the two hands, all right, see. Most of the times I don't play this one when I'm most of the times, all right, when I'm starting, when I'm playing. Alright, please do wait to subscribe to my channel and God bless you.